god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god, what? Oh shit.
A series of powerful tornadoes swept across Tennessee on Saturday, killing at least 6 people, injuring dozens more, and leaving tens of thousands without electricity. The storms also caused widespread damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure in several counties.
No, we actually saw it happen.
Tornado just hit. This is my front yard. The house is okay. The roof is on.
I don't think so.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.